Hey everybody, welcome back to Classic Chevy Revival. I'm your host Kevin, and today we're going to try something a little bit different we haven't done before. Number one, I'm here on camera with my 56 Bel Air, and had a problem this last week or so. I noticed when I started up, the generator light would come on the dash, and it's kind of intermittent, but it stays on more than it's off. So I checked the regulator and found out it's not working. So, and I'll explain to you in a minute how I did that. So come on along. Let's work on this old car. Remember, I'm not a certified mechanic. I'm just a shade tree mechanic. So don't take this as any advice on how to do it, just more for entertainment. So thanks for watching. Okay, well here's the problem I was talking about. Generator light is on. When I parked it last fall, we didn't have that issue. So, rev it up here a little bit. Goes out briefly, but then it just keeps coming back on, as you can see. So, check the alternator, or I'm sorry, the generator. Generator was good. So what I did to test this, I connected a wire from the regulator terminal marked ARM or GEN, whichever it may be on your voltage regulator, to regulator terminal marked BAT, with the engine running at medium speed, and I had my multimeter on, and the charging rate increased, which shows that the regulator is bad. So we're going to change that regulator out today, even though it went out now. I'll let off on the gas. So it's intermittent. Whoop, there we go. So I first noticed it when I would turn on the turn signal. So there you have it. So we're going to change that voltage regulator out. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is disconnect the battery. We'll get that done. I'd already started loosening it there. Pull that off. Get that out of the way. So maybe that should be good right there. Okay. Okay, so there's our voltage regulator right there. Black box on the top. And I just have a question. Maybe some of you know the answer, and if you do, put it down in the comments down there. When I went looking to buy a new voltage regulator, this one that I ended up buying was a 35 amp used for cars with air conditioning. And the price was like $54.99. Okay. The voltage regulator that is supposed to go with this car without air conditioning was $109. And it's 25 amps. The one I bought is 35 amp. And I can understand that, you know, if you have a car with air conditioning. But my question is, why does one cost twice as much as the other one, and it has less amperage? I don't know. So if you know the answer, if you got an idea, leave it down below in the box, and maybe we can figure this out together. All right. So we'll get the screws off. I had to spray this with some PB Blaster because they were on their butt down here. Those I had to spray to get off, and they were tough. These, however, that hold the unit on, were basically just finger tight. So, all right, let's get this out of here. Now that I broke them free, I was afraid I was going to strip the head on this little screw here, but I didn't. And I just dropped the washer, of course. Oh, that's gone forever. Let's find a new one of those. So, well, that happens. Oh, there it is. Found it. One thing nice about Chevys, they got that big tray in the front. You can collect anything up front there. So, all right. Get this one out. We'll try not to lose the washer. Kids next door out, as you can hear. It's February 26th here in Illinois, and it's 60-some degrees out here, which is so rare for us. But I'll take it. It's supposed to be nicer tomorrow, like 70. And the temperature's going to fall, and it's going to snow tomorrow night, allegedly. We will see. Okay. We won't lose that one. Oops. Okay. There's that. Drop my fender skirt. Okay. So there's those. 1, 2, and 3. Get these off. Like I said, these were kind of finger tight was all, and 7/16, and I barely had to do anything to get them off. So I don't know how long this voltage regulator has been on there. Been a while, I believe. So I don't know. Oh, it's a little tight with the fingers. So this is a Delco voltage regulator. So could it be the original one? This car has got 76,000 miles on it. So I guess that could be possible, you know, who knows. All right, we'll be right back with the new one. All right, so we got the new voltage regulator on there. I'm just tightening it down now. And even these little screws were really tight to get on and to loosen. So you get these on there. There we go. Oops. Tighten that up. And like I said, I am a shade tree mechanic. I'm doing this more for entertainment than I am for being a true, quote-unquote, mechanic. So oh man, it's hard to see this thing. There we go. So this one went there. Oops, knocked them both off. Of course. And I did take a picture with my cell phone before I started doing this, just in case these wires got messed up. So
I don't trust myself sometimes when it comes to that. It's kind of like doing brakes, you know. You haven't done those brakes in a million years. Take a picture and only do one side. That way you got the other side you can refer to. Okay, those are on tight. Now we'll just tighten up these other ones. And of course I lost my wrench. There it is. Okay, let's see. I don't know if I can get a socket on this one. Oh yeah. One thing you gotta do, you gotta put the grommets on these new ones that come with it. That's really easy to do. So it takes 5 minutes, if that. So but that's nice and loud, huh? Banging on the spring here. Alright, we almost got this one. This is the one So, yeah, anyway, like I was saying before, I don't know why the with air conditioning is half price of the one without, and it's 35 amp as opposed to 25 amp. So, okay, we got to polarize the voltage regulator, and that only takes a second, and it's very easy. So let me go get a piece of jump wire, and I'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna polarize this regulator, and it's very simple. You just touch the jumper terminal, and it's just a quick, brief spark. So put one on the, as you're looking at it, the one on the left, and the one right next to it, and that's how we're going to do that. So, and we'll show you. It's very brief. I've already hooked the battery back up. So that's there. Oop. There we go. We'll see if she starts and runs and charges. Okay, we'll start it up and see if we get the generator lights come on. And it's off. There you have it. Pretty simple to do. Takes about 10 minutes. Just be sure to unhook your battery, of course, when you do that. So, okay, so there you have it. And I want to be sure everybody likes and subscribes to our channel. And like I said, if you got any comments on the why the price is cheaper for a one with air conditioning, let us know. That'd be great. So sort of like and subscribe to our channel. Check out our website, ClassicChevyRevival.com. And once again, we'll catch you on the next Classic Chevy Revival. Drive and revive, everybody.